Hello everyone, Mark here and welcome back to our channel. So this is just an update on our DepEd SIM card, kung ano na ang status niya ngayon. From the time na nag-upload tayo ng video, that was July 29, naka-receive tayo ng subscription, and that is DepEd 349, and nag-expire siya, sa naging no subscription, and ngayon, August 3, naka-receive tayo ng text coming from Smart. So sabi dito, we have DepEd 349 successfully loaded to, of course, my number, and then with the reference number, and then second is awesome, you can now enjoy 1 gig every day to study anywhere plus 4 gig for 30 days with DepEd 349. Then study anywhere wallet includes Google Classroom, Google Search, YouTube, MS Teams, and DepEd and more applications na related sa DepEd. Okay, so yun yung mga pwede nating i-access using our 1 gigabyte every day. You can also dial DepEd 33733 for inquiries. This hotline is exclusive only to DepEd. Okay, so yun yung ginawa natin kanina. Tinawagan natin ang DepEd with your queries kasi may mga co-teachers na rin ako na nagtatanong bakit yung sa akin wala pang DepEd 349 na nagre-reflect. Same din doon sa previous video natin, bakit daw walang nagre-reflect sa kanila. So eto yung sagot ng customer service representative na natawagan natin kanina.
So, naka-indicate rin po dun sir yung kung ilan po yung data po na papasok sa kanilang SIM card po sir.
So parang ang nangyayari po Miss Kwan, ano po, first SIM na na-activate, yung parang yun din po yung nauunang na-replenish or na-reloadan po ng load. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Tama po sir, yes po.
For clarification, kung kaka-activate nyo lang po ng ating DepEd SIM card, ay hintayin lang po natin na mag-text ulit ang Smart for the update and for the replenish ng ating load this month of August. Okay? And another question is, kailangan ba namin magre-register doon sa depedconnect.com.ph? May nag-circulate na message ng DepEd Care and for sure nakarating na din sa inyo. No need to re-register your phone number for as long as it is activated. Hihintayin lang talaga natin ang ating load. Hihintayin lang natin ang ating load this month. And last, no, makikita natin dito sa update natin. This is August 3 update. Makikita natin dito sa details natin. We now have Study Anywhere which is 1.02 gig. That is August 4. And ang ating shareable data is already 8.19 gig. So ibig sabihin, yung previous data natin na 4 gig last month, July, and yung month ng August ay nadadagdagan po. So ibig sabihin kung hindi po natin nagagamit yan, ay mag-a-add ng mag-a-add sa mga susunod na buwan. Okay? Yun lamang po. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment and please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates with regards to tutorials and DepEd updates. Muli, maraming salamat po. Stay safe everyone and God bless po. Thank you.